feeling mine, stop calling back. He says that's life, it hits you hard. We talk too long, we talk too much about missed signs and losing touch, about women loving stupid pride, and all the things we keep inside. The movie flickers blue and gray, the bottles slowly fade away. The fridge is full, the room is warm, and somehow things don't feel so torn. Fill the fridge, fill the night, turn the kitchen warm and bright. Beer and gin beside the stove, two old friends, and nowhere to go. Still, the kitchen smells of smoke and grill. I close the door, look back once more.